Section 9 talks about the restitution of the conjugal rights. Before we start the discussion for this particular section, we shall know what is the meaning of conjugal rights. See, when a male and a female get noded into the bindings of marriage, there are some, marital rights and some duties on both the parties. And one of the rights of the parties is that the both the parties shall cohabit with each other until unless there is an otherwise circumstances, and if there are circumstances wherein the parties cannot cohabit, in that case the party who is withdrawing, I mean, as in like leaving, who is not staying with the other party, shall have the reasonable excuse as to why he is leaving, as to why he or she is withdrawing from the society of the other, right? So section 9 reads as, when either the husband or the wife has without reasonable excuse withdrawn from the society of the other, the aggrieved party may apply by petition to the district court for restitution of the conjugal rights, and the court, on being satisfied of the truth of the statements made in such petition and that there is no legal ground why the application should not be granted, may decree restitution of the conjugal rights accordingly, right? So ingredients are, the one of the parties to the marriage should have withdrawn from the society of the other party without reasonable excuse. मैं आपको अगर एग्जांपल दूं तो मान लीजिए हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ दोनों एक साथ रह रहे हैं और हस्बैंड की कहीं नौकरी लग जाती है, and then husband goes to that place and stays because he has to work at some other place, right? So this is a reasonable excuse. At the same time, the wife shall mutually consent that yes, you can go and stay over there. So this is a reasonable excuse, right? But मान लीजिए suddenly wife leaves the husband's place without giving any excuse and do not come back to her husband's place. In that case, husband may file a petition to the district court for the restitution of the conjugal rights. Conjugal rights is actually a right which is given to the married party, which is also a intercourse right, cohabit right. So this is section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act, which is an important section from the examination point of view. There is an explanation given here where a question arises whether there has been reasonable excuse for withdrawal from the society. तो बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ किसके ऊपर हो जाता है रीजनेबल एक्सक्यूज का? उस व्यक्ति के ऊपर, उस पार्टी के ऊपर जिसने सोसाइटी को छोड़ा हुआ है. सपोज हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ में से वाइफ चली जाती है अपने पति के हाउस को छोड़ के विदाउट गिविंग एनी एक्सक्यूज, right? Then it is upon the burden of proof is upon the wife to prove that there was a reasonable excuse, right? So this was a small video and I hope I made myself clear. So this is an important one and there is for sure a question over it. So stay tuned to my channel and the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.